Hey teachers, I just wanted to do a quick little follow-up on Flipgrid. I know it's a tool that we talked about in our PD on Friday. Some of you have used it and some of you hadn't before, so I just wanted to give you a quick little walkthrough of what it looks like and how you can use it in your classroom. So this is the website here. It's just info.flipgrid.com. And if this is your first time here, you can just click Educator Sign Up here in the top right. And it should prompt you to just log in with your school Google account. And once you've done that, it'll take you to this discussion tab right here. To add a new discussion so that your students can make videos, you're just going to go down here to where it says Topics and click Add Topic. And then you can go ahead and title your topic and give them a prompt. So I'm just going to call this Reading Discussion since we talked about literacy groups some. And then I'm just going to say, tell me about your favorite scene that you read in your book today. And you can make this anything you want. This could be reading, this could be math, social studies, science, however you want to do this. And then you can add a video or media to this. So if you had a video of your lesson you wanted to add, or a video recording of the book so that they could review it, anything there you can add. You can also add resources from Google as well. And then down here for permissions, I would keep this set to private just so that you and your students are the only ones that can see your videos. So I'm going to set this to student email, and then I'm just going to put @blackfordschools.org. And this will allow any students that have that email domain to add videos to this, and it will restrict anybody else from adding videos. Down here for essentials, you can turn on topic moderation. This means that no videos or comments will be posted until you activate them. So if you wanted to preview them for anything, you could do that. You can also change recording time here. So however long you think that they need to record their response. The automatic is 90 seconds or a minute and a half, but you can change that all the way down to 15 seconds and all the way up to 10 minutes. So up to you what you pick there. You can also turn on video and text comments so that students can comment on each other's work through a video like this, or you can do just text comments, up to you. And then you also have the option to turn on closed captions. So once you've set all those settings, you're just going to click Create Topic. And your topic is ready. So you'll see here you can copy the link or share it directly to Google Classroom. And then you can just choose a class. And you can even create an assignment, make a material, ask a question, however you want to do it. So if I click Create Assignment, I can click Go, and it's going to give me all the options here. So I could go through and title my assignment, give a due date, give extra instructions if I need it, and then post it straight to Google Classroom. So super easy for students to respond. And then let me show you what this looks like from their end. So once I go back to discussion, if I click on this, I can, as a student, I'll hit record a response and it'll bring up this screen. So now you see double of me and I can record. You can add effects to it like frames, emojis, boards, photos, text. You can let them draw on it. And then for their options, you can let them record their screen and whatever they would like to do as well for their response. So that's what it's going to look like from the student's end and from your end when you go to assign it. I hope this helps, and this is a fun tool for you to use in your classroom. Have a good day, guys.